everyone. I thought I'd just do a bit of an update and just show you. This is all my gold from day one. Looks really cool. Obviously the nuggets, which are just a recent acquiring, and the specimen there. I thought I'd weigh it up and see exactly how much I've got. Yeah, it's a lot of hard work there. Yeah, we'll weigh it up and we'll have a look, eh? I'll be back in a minute. Some nice pieces in there. Alright, back in a minute and I'll weigh it up. So I've got it all tiered up. Let's see what it weighs. This is probably not a good idea. I'm going to pour over the ground. Yeah, back in a minute. So let's see what it weighs. So the finer stuff, 9.762, and with the nuggets 12.8, and with my specimen 14.2. So I've been doing this for quite a while, but not looking too bad. I'm gunning for the ounce, so I've got about, I'm sort of just under halfway, so I've still got a lot of gold to get. But yeah, we're getting there. Looking good. Alright, be back soon. Hope you enjoyed.